The facility here in Ames, Iowa is part of the DSM nutritional product. This plant has been in business since 1965. We are a world leader in vitamin production for animal and human nutrition. The facility here in Ames is a 24-hour-a-day, 5-day-a-week operation. We have 30 employees that help make animal nutrition premixes for our customers. DSM actually stands for Dutch State Mines. We actually talk about DSM from the do something meaningful aspect.
We try to give the customer everything they need. A lot of times they'll call and they'll need something right away, and we will interrupt our production to try to get product to them because we know animals got to be fed.
I like to say large or small, we feed them all. We do a lot of small pet food along with the larger livestock.
We have a nutritional services team, very knowledgeable, trained specialists who work with all of our customers to ensure that all of their formula premixes meet all of their desired nutritional needs for the animals that they're providing feed to.
So we take these ingredients, we weigh them out, we mix them in a mixer, and then we package them to customer specifications.
Our mixer size is 3,000 kilos, 6,000 pounds. Right now we're doing about 1,800 ton a month, but we can do more if need be.
We have 2 bagging lines here. Both of them have metal detection, so ensuring that we don't leave any trace metal in our premix helps give our customers the good feeling, letting them know that we're producing the right stuff for them and that they're going to get it in good quality. We use a Conchetti automatic bagger. It'll fill the bag for them, it folds the bag for them, cuts the bag for them, it puts our tamper-resistant crepe tape up top, and then it runs it through a barcode scanner and a check wire to make sure all the product made it to the bag.
We can make sure by the barcodes, all the product gets put in the correct bags. We can do 50 to 60,000 labels a week.
The process controls are very important because automation can do much more than what a human can do. We pride ourselves in making sure that our batches that we are producing are exactly as the customer wants and needs. And that's why we have the automation to allow us to be able to really dial in the recipe for the customer, and then we can easily make changes should they determine that they need to have a different formulation.
Quality is built into every part of our production process, from shipping and receiving to our material resourcing to manufacture of all of our premix product.
We are always looking for ways to minimize our footprint on the local areas. We started working with the Solid Waste Alternative Program to find a home or another use for the empty super sacks that we have here, which were being put in our local dumpster, taken to the local landfill. And we were able to work with them and come up with a recycling program where we now bale the empty tote bags and send them to a recycler, which will then clean them and shred them and use them for picnic tables and park benches. We are coming up to almost 1 million pounds of empty super sacks and some cardboard that we divert from the local landfill to a recycling program.
I've been here in DSM for 46 years. We put out a good product, and we want to make sure that whatever products get to the animals, that nothing ever happens to them.
Even though we do the same thing, it's basic mixing of vitamins and minerals every single day, it's always different. There's always a different challenge or a different need that needs met.
It's every customer's right and every employee's responsibility to deliver a high quality premix every day.